Now in this video I'm going to share with you the part B of the chapter 1 Momotaro the Brave Boy of English Literature. Here it begins. So in the previous video I talked about how the Momotaro was strong, powerful and kind. So when he came to know about the demons who used to trouble the villagers, he wanted to help the villagers. So let's read in this how Momotaro helped the villagers. So the demons lived on a faraway island. Where did the demons live? They lived on the faraway island. So island is a piece of land surrounded by water. So Momotaro made up his mind to fight and kill the demons. Momotaro decided that he was going to fight and kill the demons. The old couple told him not to do so, as our parents tells us not to do such things which can harm us. Similarly, the old couple, being their guardian, they told him not to do so. But when he requested, they agreed to let him go and kill the demons. But when Momotaro requested old couples, they agreed and let him go and kill the demons. The old woman gave him some dumplings when he left the house. So old woman packed some dumplings when he was leaving for the island. So dumplings are the kinds of momos in which fillings can be either meat or vegetables or sweets, anything. So on his way, Momotaro befriended a dog, a monkey, and a bird. When he was going to the island, he became friends with a dog, a monkey, and a bird. He spoke to them nicely. So Momotaro spoke to them very nicely and also gave them dumplings. They became good friends of Momotaro and helped him a lot. They agreed to help him fight the demons. When Momotaro asked them to fight the demons, they agreed that they are going to fight the demons. They are going to help them. Now, when Momotaro reached the island, the bird flew inside and opened the gate of the fort. When Momotaro reached the island to fight the demons, so how the bird helped? The bird helped by flying inside the fort, and the bird opened the gate of the fort. The fort is a strong building designed to be defended from an attack, has an area surrounded by a strong wall in which soldiers are based. So this is how the forts are. They have strong walls. The once the bird opened the gate from inside, they all went inside the fort and fought the demons fiercely. So how they fought the demons? Fiercely, without fearing, and that to be violently, furiously. The dog bit the legs of the demons. How the dog fight the demons? The dog bit the legs of the demons. The monkey jumped on their backs and clawed at the beast. The monkey jumped on the backs of the demons and it clawed with its fingers. It clawed at the beast. Beast is an four-footed animal. Those are dangerous ones. So while the bird pecked their eyes. So how did the bird help? The bird pecked the eyes of the demons. Finally the demons were defeated. They gave all their treasures to Momotaro. So this is how Momotaro defeated the demons, and on being defeated, demons decided to give all the treasures, all the wealth, jewelries, everything back to Momotaro. The demons also told him that they would never trouble humans again. So the demons told Momotaro that they are not going to disturb humans again. So Momotaro returned to his village with all the riches and distributed them among the people. So now what Momotaro does with the wealth and jewelries? He returns back to the villagers, as it was of them only. So he returns them, distributes among the villagers, and thereafter Momotaro and old couple lived happily. So this was the part 2. I hope you all enjoyed the story. So in the next video, part 3, we are going to discuss the oral question answers